Hey MTS crew, what is going on? Hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, I'm getting ready to do my fall cleaning, and I do this every year. I clean everything. I'm cleaning all of my cabinets out. I'm taking everything off the counters and cleaning the counters and getting the counters all clean, cleaning the drawers, the refrigerator, the inside of the cabinets, the top of the cabinets. I do this because I do a lot of cooking in the fall, and I need everything to be where it needs to be when I need it. So I don't have I'm going to take those dishes down. I'm going to reline those cabinets there and get rid of things that I'm just not going to use anymore. And I'm going to donate those. Okay. And then I have my power wash. Y'all, I love this power wash. I spray it on my counters. I spray it on the backdrop. I spray it on everything. So after I spray everything down and get all the soap out of it, I use this granite gold. This will make your granite shine, and for some reason this black granite always look dull to me, so I bought that to see if it's gonna help. Now this Clorox wipe I take and I wipe the inside of my cabinets out with that, and y'all, this was a job tackling this refrigerator, y'all, because when I clean my refrigerator, I take everything out of it because I want to make sure that it is really, really clean. No bacteria, no mold, no anything. So we cleaned the top and the bottom. And my husband was so funny. When we finished cleaning the top of the refrigerator, he forgot. He thought we were finished. And when we had put everything back in the top, y'all, I told him, we got to do the bottom. He was like, oh my goodness, I didn't know that. But this man right here is happy to help do anything that needs to be done around the house. I'm going to do a lot of rearranging and cleaning, and this is some paper towels I always put in the vegetable crisper, and I didn't realize that I had so much lettuce, y'all, so I don't keep my lettuce in bags. I just keep them on the paper towels in this crisper. So I need to go to the grocery store, so I needed to know what I needed to buy. So that's the reason that we cleaning the refrigerator out, and things that need to be thrown away or given away, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I found some celery and I found some carrots. I'll probably make some sort of beef stew. I had a couple of bell peppers, and not as much really as I thought I had, so I definitely need to pay Aldi's a visit because I like to go there and Sam's to load up on my fresh vegetables. And so we eat a lot of salad because we are on our weight loss journey around here, and I didn't even know I had those little potatoes, y'all. If you don't clean your refrigerator out and keep it organized and keep things moved around, the old need to come to the front and the new need to go to the back. Okay, y'all, here my husband is dancing. He's listening to music. We can't play the music on here, but he's listening to some song, his favorite song, and he's dancing, and he's happy about helping me get this kitchen organized. So after we get the kitchen organized and my bathroom is already organized and clean, two things I like, y'all: a clean kitchen and a clean bathroom. So that's what we're doing, and we're gonna clean the china cabinets and just kind of spruce up for when I get ready to start doing all this baking, and I don't have to stop and say, well, I need to go get this and go get that. I need everything here. So y'all, we clean the bottom of the refrigerator out. Now we're going to sit down and have our mocktail. And this is a non-alcoholic drink. And these are the items that I use in this drink, y'all. They are so good. We're going to sit down and relax and finish up tomorrow, because we've been working on this refrigerator just about all day, y'all. So we're going to finish up with the counters, and uh the bottom of the cabinets, where my pots and pans are. This is a very small kitchen, y'all. So even though it's a small kitchen, I mean, I have a lot of stuff in there. So even out in the garage, I have two cabinets full of dishes, y'all. I have a dish fetish. Yes, I do. So I'm gonna have to start donating some of this stuff that I haven't used in over a year. So we're gonna relax. We're going to enjoy the rest of our evening, and we'll get back to work with all this cleaning tomorrow. And also, I'm going through like clothing and just get rid of stuff. I know a lot of people like to spring clean, but I also fall clean. So I'm just going to get rid of a whole lot of stuff. God bless y'all. God keep y'all. Do me a favor. Be good to yourself. And if you be good to yourself, you have no other choice, y'all, but to be good to others, y'all. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your mate. Thank God for the things that He have provided for you. I mean, it's a blessing. It's a lot of people out there that you think that you don't have a lot. It's a lot of people out there that have less than you have. So we put on some music, and we're just enjoying our day with each other, and we are, getting our house all clean and getting it together. And I appreciate me being my husband helping, and I thank God that I have the strength and the energy to do the things that I'm doing. He told me, he said, babe, I'll do it. I said, no, I'm able. So, I wanted to get up and help him, get this house clean and help us. And so that's what we are doing, y'all. I appreciate y'all. And there he is, y'all, waiting on his mocktail. And we'll probably stay up a little while and watch movies. But after that, Mama T going to bed. See you later. God bless y'all. God bless. And God bless my husband. I appreciate him. Like, share, and subscribe. Please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. God bless y'all.